Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Bybit. So let me take you to their website, which is bybit.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Bybit is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that facilitates the trading of various digital assets, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's known for offering perpetual contracts, allowing users to engage in lavish trading to speculate on cryptocurrency price movements. For the traders who want to be involved, they should be aware of the associated risk. And for the latest information, it's always recommended to check Bybit's official website or reliable resources. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Bybit. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Bybit and start promoting them to our audience. And when we bring revenue to Bybit, guess what? We'll end up getting commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Bybit? Anyone from anywhere can join their affiliate program so long as the person have access to their website. Where can they promote them? They can promote them to the consumers of any country where Bybit provide their services in. The next question arises, or rather a thing of concern is, whenever you're promoting Bybit, you should tell your audience about the risk of getting involved in cryptocurrency. That's super important when you are promoting a crypto platform. So let's jump into learning more about the affiliate program. For that, you have to come to this web address, which is affiliates.bybit.com. I'm going to mention this in the video description too. And this page talks about the affiliate program of Bybit. So over here, if you scroll down, you can see you could get up to 50% commission on revenue when your audience get involved in spot, futures, and options. And you could get 5% commission on products, and you could get 10% commission on sub-affiliates. So this means that let's say you are an affiliate, but you got 10 affiliates working under you. So if those 10 affiliates bring revenue to Bybit, they will get their commission. Plus, in addition to that, you will also get 10% commission on the revenue for the lifetime. That's great, isn't it? Then if you scroll down, you'll see the benefit of Bybit. So they got like worldwide networking events and other things. You can like scroll through to the right or left to see more. And then if you scroll down, you can see how exactly it works. You apply for the affiliate program, you wait for them. And once you get the approval, you share your tracking links with your audience. And when those people bring part of Bybit and bring revenue to Bybit, you will end up getting commission, as you can see here. Then if you scroll down, you can see this button, join our affiliate program. So if you want to go with it, click on this button, which will take you to this screen. Now, for you to have a Bybit affiliate account, you must have a Bybit account as well. So if you already have an account with Bybit, just enter your credentials in here. If you don't have an account with them, you can click on sign up and you can enter your details. Now here, you're creating your account with Bybit first. So it's not an affiliate account yet, but rather a Bybit account. I'll enter my email address along with the password. You can also do the same. And once you have added it, just click on by clicking create account, you agree to terms of service and privacy policy. You might want to read this before you tick mark this, and then click on create account. And then it will do the verification. You have to just complete the captcha like this, and then it will take you further. It should send an email to your registered email address. As you can see, this is the email address I have used. In your case, whatever email address you have given, you can go to the email account of that. There will be an email like this. Open the email, take the code from there, and enter it here. It will only last until the seconds you see here. Let me copy it again and paste it here. Let's see. Okay, it worked. Once you have entered your code, it will take you to this screen. It says Bybit authorization request. You can click on I authorize the sharing of my personal information and then click on confirm. Now it will redirect you to Bybit affiliate account. So here you have to give more information. Over here, you can scroll down. So your social channels. So where exactly you plan to promote Bybit? Like you got a website, you got a social media account. What do you have? And if you have a YouTube channel, maybe you can put your YouTube URL here, Twitter URL here. You can click on more channels and add more details too. Let's say you got a YouTube channel and you got a website too. Then what? So I'm going to use the details in here. I'll mention the YouTube channel link in here and the website here. So in your case as well, you can do that. So you see, you can enter the URL for YouTube, X, Telegram, Discord, Instagram, Twitch, Facebook, or any other social channels, website, blog, etc. So I have added my website in here. Like this, you can add your details too. But whatever information you type in here, ensure it should be accurate. Whatever information I'm typing, that's just dummy information for educational purpose. But in your case, it should be accurate. Then you select your place of residence, your contact information, where you only have to give your name and the email address. It will automatically capture in here. Then just click on agree to the Bybit affiliate agreement and privacy policy. You should click here and you should read the agreement. This is super important because this way you would know what you can do and what you're allowed to do and you're not allowed to do. So ensure you read it thoroughly for better understanding. And once you have read it, you can click on submit. Now it will submit the details. It will send another verification code to your email address. You can log into your email account, go back and open the email. From here, copy the code, come here again, paste the code in here and click on verify email. And then it will load up the details and you will get the message like this. Affiliate manager will reach out to you within 3 to 5 working days. If you have any inquiries, please contact at this email address. So what's going to happen? Whatever information you have given, the affiliates team of Bybit will check, will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And if they feel like, yes, you are, then they will give you the approval. And when you get the approval, you can expect a response from them, a new email from them. And the email should have the platform URL. And of course, you would have your credentials. So you can use your credential and get into your affiliate account. So once let's assume you got the confirmation and there will be another email from them within 3 to 5 business days. So you got the approval, then what? Then you can start promoting them. And to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use your tracking link. So it's super important once you get the access to the affiliate platform for Bybit, take the tracking links from there and start promoting them through that way. So the next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways you could promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one way is you could promote them on any website or blog, so long as you got the approval for that. So you can just put advertisement anywhere on your website or blog, and that should be fine. For blog, specifically just for blog, you could maybe create articles, the blog post for Bybit or some of the services, and just put your tracking link over there. That could work too. For social media, I think it would be best because you can influence your followers, your subscribers, and just share your tracking links over there. That could work too. And third, which I think would be better here, is the financial website. Because let's assume you got a financial website. Why would people come to your website? To learn about financial stuff. And that may include crypto market and crypto interest, isn't it? So maybe you could create a section on your financial website just for crypto market and put the advertisement of Bybit over there. That could work too. So let's say whatever way you're doing it, and sure you must have given those details while signing up for Bybit affiliate account. And let's assume that you start promoting Bybit through those channels of your approved channel again, and you bring revenue to Bybit. Where would you see your performance? That will be in your affiliate account too. So you can check that out. Now, how about the payment? How will you receive the payment from Bybit? That's another question. For that, let me take you to this page. Now, this is an affiliate FAQ page. Over here, I will take you directly to this page here. How can I withdraw my earnings? So Bybit believes in sending the commission as early as they can. So that's why they issue the payment on daily basis, but you have the option to withdraw the commission. So they will keep the commission in your account for the revenue generation, and then you can basically withdraw it. Now, how would you withdraw it? So you can log into Bybit affiliate portal, click on withdraw over there. And from there, you can enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and that will be instantly transferred to your Bybit trading account. From there, you can just transfer it to your wallet address, and that wallet would differ from your location. So let's say if I'm from India, then the wallets available would be more related to me, to my location. Same way it would be different for you. So that's how you can get the commission. And not just that, there are other questions as well that you can read and you can learn more about them. If you still have more questions, you can always reach out to them at this address and know more about it. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Bybit. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you get the approval from Bybit and you start promoting them soon. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.